Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to another dive-in video. In this video, we're not going to take a look at VirtualBox again. We're going to take a look at AntiX or AntiX. I'm going to call it AntiX because it sounds cooler than AntiX. AntiX sounds like antique, old. So you might wonder, why haven't I made anything yet? Why haven't I got into AntiX yet? So we're gonna take a look at that operating system from beginning to end. So in other words, making a new virtual machine for AntiX or AntiX I meant, and installing AntiX to that virtual machine and basically messing around with it. And the reason I pick AntiX because it's a very lightweight operating system. So without talking too much about it, let's begin doing it. So I'm going to be putting in AntiX, or actually put X here. And yeah, this dive-in video is very different because of this. So AntiX stems from Debian. So, and also it also stems from simply Mepis and also the Mepis operating system. So when simply Mepis was retired and never to be used again, two more operating system pops up. One of them is AntiX, and also the other is MX Linux. So you have these two operating system, or two people, some people to thank to for an operating system that continues the legacy of simply Mepis. So let's put in 2000 megabytes or 2 gigabyte of RAM, and let's create it, and let's give it about 16 gigabyte of storage. Let's create that, and then let's do settings. And the reason I'm making this different is for any operating system, because I don't want to go through the pain of booting it, and I want to show what the installation. I want to look at what the installation process look like. So I'm gonna be doing all of this in silence. So I basically tested everything before I could actually do the dive-in video. I didn't really explore in depth of AntiX, so don't worry. I'm not spoiled. Alright, so let's click start. Hopefully things go the way it should be. And yes, it's not gonna display it on this screen. It's gonna be displaying it on the other screen. I mean, any day now. I gave it 2000. I don't understand why. Okay. Good. Okay, let's get this here. And let's press enter. Settings. Interface show at the top of the screen. Make it full screen. And voila. Alright, so let's install this. Oh, so, oh snap. Oh, okay. So it seems like it's basically only one click, which really throws me off. I mean, you just tell us that we only have to click once, give us some kind of warning. Anyway, so in my previous dive-in video, I showed you guys like how to make the new virtual machine, or I think it's called virtual machine. I think it might be called virtual entity or something. I'm just gonna call it virtual machine. So a new virtual machine for MX Linux, and I installed it, and it kind of looks like this. So both AntiX and MX Linux are very similar when it comes to like different installation. So let's click next. Yeah, regular install using the entire disk, 16 gigabytes. Not much, but if you're using an old computer, and that's the purpose of AntiX. Okay, to format entire disk, not desk. Yes. All right, and then install some stuff. And while it does, we could just click next, and let's just put kingtut. And example king. Oh, what are you doing? kingtutlearning.dom. Thank goodness I remember the dot name. And then click next. Set it to New York, because I'm in the Eastern time zone. And let's put in King Tut. And you know what? Let's just put 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Very strong and complicated, unmemorable password. And then once you click next, we wait. So while this is installing, one thing that is eye-opening is the fact that it basically not in the title bar is not in focus. Basically like displayed outside of the border. Maybe it might be because it's 800 by 600. Oh, I mean, it's not much of a big deal. So yeah, as I said, I've been doing some research across the internet, seeing which operating system would be good for old computers, because I have only one old computer. I technically have two, but one of them I dismantled it for parts. So yeah, that's not a good idea. So there are one computer. It was built, and it was way back. It used to run Windows 2000, then Windows XP. And then I basically installed Ubuntu, which is a bad idea because I realized Ubuntu doesn't work very smoothly in that computer. So it was 2014. I think Ubuntu is still good that time. Yeah. Yeah. So I decided, hey, why not I give AntiX a try? And I mean, I never tried it yet, so if I manage to try this and it worked, I might as well tweet about it. And AntiX is not the only operating system that could breathe new life to old computers. So Puppy OS and MX Linux allegedly can do that. Also, Gen 2 as well. Gen 2 as in GENTOO. That's the operating system. So I haven't really messed around with Gen 2. Also, if you see this, if you see like the operating system itself, this virtual machine is being laggy, because I'm using a virtual machine. So don't judge. My computer has very, very limited RAM, so yeah. Things you see in a virtual machine isn't going to be as good as when you actually boot it to your actual computer. I mean, if it's running really smooth under 4 GB of RAM, I mean, it's just gonna run smooth in any computer. It's gonna be fine. I mean, I know there's like older. I remember Ubuntu used to be the operating system that you have to have 512 megabytes of RAM. I don't know what happened right now. And as you see here, these taskbars kind of look pretty old, but at least a little bit nicer than if you say Windows 98 or Windows 2000 or um Windows 95. I'm not gonna touch on Windows XP. Let's admit Windows XP looks dope, and so does Windows 7 and Windows Vista. And Windows 8 and 8.1, they look pretty okay. Windows 10, they look nice. I mean, I'm not gonna say anything. And Windows 11 kind of looks flat. I'm sorry, Windows 11. You're no Windows XP or Windows Vista or Windows 7 in terms of aesthetics. And is it just me, or did Windows do away with all the customization? I mean, they have customization, but like it doesn't make it aesthetically pleasing to your eye. Unfortunately, it's just all it is just changing colors and stuff. Anyway, installation is complete. Yes, I want to automatically reboot the system after your installer is closed. So let's do that. So let's finish. And I really, really like how it looks. That's way better. So as you see here, it's gonna tell me remove the disk. So come on, go to devices, optical drive. It's already been removed, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's press enter, and it's gonna reboot. And let's just press enter to boot into that system. And this is what I like about Linux as opposed to Windows. It gives you different uh places to boot. It gives you different options instead of just like booting automatically. I don't know if they have an option for that. Pretty sure they do. Otherwise, they wouldn't be Linux. I know Windows have an option to like give you an option to do so, but unfortunately, you have to do it. You have to jump through hoops. All right, so let's put King Tut. Oh yeah, you don't do tabs. Press enter, 1, 2, 3, and then press enter. And voila. As you see here, when you log in, I just noticed this. Everything's black and white and like very, very stale. And then when you log in, everything's like brightened up in color. So I actually don't like this resolution. So let's go figure out how to do this. Control center, settings, go, okay, preference is, I have no idea what these are. Is King, okay, I have no idea. Control Centre. Not control center. Wish they would spell it correctly, but that's okay. And if you're curious about AntiX as a whole, yes, they made a bit of a political statement in their slogan. I don't care about the political statement they've made. I only care about their operating system. All right? That's what's important. I don't care what every operating system believes in. I just want to explore it. That's it. Yeah, isn't display supposed to be its system? That's crazy. Huh. Network. Session. Oh, so it's under session, but not on system. I don't even understand. Shouldn't display be under system? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Right, so oh my god. Alright, let's click on select screen resolution. Virtual 1. Let's see, what is this? What is okay, this is save layout. View outputs. Resolution. Layout, new layout. What if I want to okay. Properties, nope. Do. Am I stay broken? Interesting. Okay. Sure. Well, I learned a thing or two about resolution. So, I mean, it's resolution in terms of like doing it in a terminal. So let's do this. Xrender. Sorry. You have all of these. Yeah, it doesn't say 920 by 1080. So, way to do it is CVD 1920 by 1080. Or, whoops, 1080. CVD? CV. Wait, do this. Alright, time to get the internet. I remember learning it from the internet. Or CVR? Maybe it might be CVR. Thing in focus. Okay. CVR. Nope. There has to be Xrender. The resolution. At medium. DVT, not D. Okay. Go here. T. There it is. And then you basically copy all of that. Copy. And then Xrender. New mode. And then basically let's paste it this. And then gonna take out the 60. That's basically 60 FPS or frames per second. And let's press enter and X render add mode, and then let's use, I think you add mode. Yeah, okay. Virtual 1 and there. So basically virtual 1 is this one. So it's just gonna be added into here. So that's when I put X render, bam, added there. So let's set it. So X render dash X estimate 1920 by 1080, and then voila. That's a trick I learned from the internet, and also DistroTube. Thank you, DistroTube. Very good YouTube channel. I recommend anyone watching it. Anyway, and you have this here. You have what it's called, Conky? I think that's what it's called. So basically, take that out because it's out of place, and then let's put it back in. And we put it back in, and it's very large. And it didn't really give us the complete resolution on it. Like it's 920 by 108. They meant to say 1080, but I don't know why you decided to not put the 0 on it. I don't know. Anyway, let's just close that. Go to desktop. Let's choose wallpaper. And let's select picture. Sunflower space. Sunflower. Yeah, that one. Wait, what's grub? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So that's pretty cool. Apply. And now it looks beautiful. Kind of looks like, I don't know, it gives me that Windows 2000 vibe. Edit ICE-WM settings. What? Oh, okay. Oh, so it's all, yeah. Nope. No. No. I am not doing that. Do a watermark like that. Do color, icon theme, Iwata. Yeah, they look very old. Unless you like it. Mouse cursor. What's oxygen black? Oxygen white. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna keep it at TM. Font. And then other. Close it. What's JWM? Oh, so that's what it's called. Okay. Oh, okay. That's, I think, no, wait. Monkey. Oh, gee. Have to, so everything has to be via, like, yeah. It have to be via, like, typing. This sucks. Let's go to, yeah, they say themes, inks, a medium. Oh, that looks nice. I like it. Looks cool. Let's go to software installer. Let's put 123 on it for the password. CPU percent, very light. Uh, I am. Oh, okay. RAM use total is 191 out of like however many. Very smooth. I mean, I'm really impressed. I like how they have this like number, like showing it live, like 9.942 by 528 plus this plus that as like the location. Oh, so I guess the one at the end, the far end, second plus sign right there. I missed it, didn't I? Yeah, the far right is the Y, and then the one before it is the X. That's cool. Okay, so this is popular package. Look at different desktop environment. Oh, that's really cool. Budgie desktop. Docs, email, Oz mail, games, yeah, on Linux, super tough. And Steam. I'm not gonna install. I know how much how much RAM is gonna. Uh, torrents. I wonder if they have Deluge as a torrent. And before you get a freak out about torrents, no, they're not just for piracy. It's not just for piracy purposes. It's another form of downloading. It's a peer-to-peer file sharing download. It could be software that has nothing to do with proprietary software. You could literally download Linux distro via torrents, and you could be clean. They're just concerned about viruses. Which, if you got it from a legitimate website that tells you to do torrents, that it's a legitimate website that is telling you to do torrents. It's okay. Besides, torrents are downloaded much faster than just traditional ways of downloading. They have GD, they have Vim, Vim.tiny. That's funny. Not gonna lie. Have configure auto mount. I have no idea what that is. Internet. Garage. Have AntiX updater. Updater. Up updater. Oh. Not get lock. Held by process, whatever that thing is. Okay. Package installer. Let's close that. Let's go to web browser. I like how they have show desktop right there. This used to be the case for Windows. So at first I thought Windows, the older version of Windows don't have that, and I thought it's just only Windows 7 is the only one. But I noticed that earlier versions of Windows before Windows 7, they have that. They have like show desktop, you click it and then poof, you see the desktop. That was done away with at since Windows 7. All you need to do is just click like that thing at the edge, and basically that's that's how you know get desktop. Let's okay. Just be or is like there's cutting here. See if I could actually something with the fonts. Go to control center. Then font size. Alright. Oh, that's much better. Oh yes. I don't know why. Alright, so this is Sea Monkey. I heard about Sea Monkey. I don't know how to add tabs. Usually they have that. Open a new tab. Oh, so you just basically do that here. Let's say I want to go to Google. They do that? Yes. Let's say I want to look for distro watch. Pretty fast. That's not too bad. For 2 GB of RAM. That's insane. Go back. And honestly, this feels like an older version of Firefox. I like it. I really, really adore it. Screenshots, add-ons manager. Yeah, I wish Firefox would have like returned all of this. It could become sleek, but at the same time, it could have all of this. I mean, seriously, stop trying to compete for faster internet. Like you're literally hogging up all the resources. And besides, it's not gonna make any difference when you like do away with all of this and just put this. Firefox. Okay, so let's save your tabs. Oh, that's even awesome. That should be a must feature for Sea Monkey. Oh, you want Sea Monkey to save next time it starts? Nope. Want to close browser. Asking you like if you want to save those tabs before the next time, so that way next time you open it, it basically they like shows you the tabs. That should have been a must have for every browser. I don't know why these browsers don't really think about this. Seriously. All right, so oh geez. Okay, let's go to control center. I don't know why. I don't know why this happens. Yeah, customize look and feel. I darker. Oh, Evo Pro. Dark. Get this. Fly. I don't understand why. why all of this has to like very, very interesting. Yeah. Let's look at industrial. Let's put Crux, Raymond, then Ice. Oh, oh, I love this. Yeah. Oh, this is my problem right here. Okay, let's look at fonts. What's VRGB? Nope. RGBR. Nope. BR. None, I guess. None. All right. Gonna be difficult for me to. Don't know what to do. Okay, let's go to fonts. To RGB. Apply. Color scheme is not supported by currently whatever that. You know what? Let's grit our teeth and go through this light theme. I mean, this looks like a almost like a Windows 98 kind of thing, but yeah, that's is kind of look like. But I mean, I enjoyed it. I enjoy some nostalgia. You could all enjoy some. Addition a drive. 1, 2, 3. They use Gported. That's cool. They have pictures. No, they don't really have pictures. They have desktop. It feels like Windows 98 and Windows 95 as well and Windows 2000. It's but it's unique because when you open it, it just looks like this. It doesn't like give you this whole screen and then just basically gives you just only icons with words on it. They're all extra details. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. Select all. Oh, that's wait. Oh, here's any. Go to preference. Let's see if there's any customization that tells me to either click once or click twice. Like seriously. Smart placement. Snap move. Windows 95 key. Ooh. There has to be. Quick switch. Focus. When. There has to be. Mouse click that. Oh, yeah. Show. Or quick switch. Focus. Floppy mouse focus. Explicit focus. Yeah, let's out of here. Let's out of here as well. Go center. Oh, edit config file. Alter curator. Not even me. Oh, just a programming language. Okay. Let's not go into the weeds. That mouse configuration. There you are. Should give me a cursor size. What if I want to that? They're very inconsistent. Very, very inconsistent. It seems like it just doesn't want to do anything. Yeah, right hand. We even show like, hey, you wanna choose once, you want twice, and don't understand. I mean, you'll have to get used to it. They don't have that option to make it double click. Actually, now that I think about it, let's go browse. Let's browse that tab. Let's browse the, let's see, AntiX, double click. Oh, how do I set it? I'm using rocks. Okay, so what are you talking about? Rocks filer? Right click the icon on the desktop. Ah, I see options. The display icon view. Can I have text under icons, please? Yeah, show total of items. That would have been. Oh wait, is this okay? Thumbnails. Yep. No image. How do I tell if it's checked or not checked? Desktop. Back in Windows. Up. Import tab. There it is. Single click to open. There it is. There you. Okay, so that's much better. Even though the icons are not that. Yeah. Play. Large icons. And I don't know about default details, but yeah. Um, options. Never automatically resize when changing display style. Auto flag sorting. Oh, there's just icon. Okay, this just icon view, not like. Big. Okay. Um, what to say? Well, let's try. So there's grub boot image. There's. Oh, wait. Did I change desktop session? Ah, it's text. Hate that so much. So yeah, I mean, crazy. So I'm just gonna go down the list. So desktop, they have like, I guess they have system monitor, and they actually allow you to do it text, which if you're into that, they have wallpaper, and most of it is they have edit IceWM settings, which is like a something for the menu or something. JWM, blue Fluxbox. So these are like the text configuration as well as edit system monitor. There's preferred applications. If I okay, so they have like they have basically the list, and you could actually configure the preferred application. We went through customized look and feel, set size and DPI, software, AntiX updater. Let's try it again. See if I can actually try it again. Uh, oh snap. Okay, so I guess by closing the software installer, we get this. So yeah, press let's just press enter to make it default Y, which is yes. Now let's see how fast it is. If we're gonna be here forever, it goes to show that they're very slow. I'm pretty sure every Linux update are very fast. And at least more transparent than Windows. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Microsoft. Trying to update behind our backs without telling us that you're updating. No wonder why our computer is performing not smoothly. Ugh, yay. Okay, so this is gonna take some time. So while this is happening, they have AntiX auto remove. They have manage package, package installer, of course, repo manager, which you wanna uh, manage your repos, different packaging system or package repo. Like if you want to do Flatpak, Snap package, or package from say Arch Linux. You can do, or if you want to download the software but you can't because they're in a different package, you could add a package to it. Which honestly, that's one of the things Windows has advantage over Linux is that you can actually install anything that has pretty much the setup system. Other than that, if it doesn't, then you're gonna have a hard time. Or you could actually uh, extract it to your desktop or whatnot, the zip file, and yeah, yep, and you could actually run it like that. Whereas Linux is not the case. It's not flexible, which I understand because you don't know if any of the software are legitimate. So, and also Linux doesn't run exe files, whereas Microsoft is like pretty much the only operating system that does exe files. If Windows were to be open source, man, imagine how many Windows distro there would be. Like, Windows decides to open source their code. Man, I would love to see the day. But yeah, sorry if I'm off tangent about it, but yeah, that's the only advantage for Windows over any other operating system is basically the flexibility of how you could install your software. Despite the fact that you might stumble upon software that has viruses. But I'm pretty sure Google and other search engines kind of curate these kind of things. Yeah. Do startup services, alternative configurator, edit config files, keyboard layout, set date and time, but it's automatically at like AM and PM, not military time. Which that's one thing I would give it to AntiX. Wi-Fi application, Wi-Fi connect, network interfaces. So there's like what do you mean select Wi-Fi applications? Oh, so two of them. So I guess if one program doesn't work, the other could take its place. Interesting. Okay. Oh, so oh snap. I could actually yo, I could do mouse stuff on the terminal. Okay. Okay, I think I like Linux a lot more than Windows. Windows is lame. Can I do that? Oh my goodness. Whoa. What did I just see? What did I just do? Okay, let's look at command. Oh, I can't. Oh, so it's just this. Okay. But network interfaces? Yo, this is amazing. You could just literally interact with a mouse button. Oh man, I this is this is one of the things that I would love to see implemented in anything. You could literally like do keyboard, you could literally just click on it. Man, this is amazing. I don't know what to say. I love AntiX so much. I guess this is like dial-up system. These are like two dial-up configuration. Ew, dial-up. Who uses dial-up any day nowadays? There's ad block. Wait, ad block? Are you trying to tell me there's gonna be a random pop-up like in Windows 98? I remember Windows 98 there were random pop-ups that came to my computer, even though I'm not using Internet Explorer. Let me know in the comments if that happens to you. Shares, connect shares, Droopy, disconnect shares. Are you talking about like peer-to-peer file sharing? That might be it. Boot image. Oh wait, boot image. Oh snap. Are you telling me that? Okay, let's go to internet. The Weaselnet. I said I commend you. Okay, there it is. Oh, there's another one. Let's put in space wallpaper. Do that. And it's all on DuckDuckGo, which, yes, even though it gave into a little bit of the dark side, it is not Google. It still respects your privacy. I don't care. I don't care what it does. If my privacy is protected, I am fine with that. I mean, it's still good. What do you expect? I mean, what do you expect to say? And yes, it has customizable features. So who cares if it gave into the dark side in terms of like censorship or whatnot? Still has good features. Still has. I mean, what am I gonna say? Let's look at this. View file. Hey, you can actually view file. Let's save image as. Let's put into. Ah man, where's the pictures? There's the pictures. Okay, save. Yeah, I'm not really much of a fan. Oh, it's finished already? Not really a fan of this pop-up part. I wish they would put that here. That would have been cool. But that's okay. Nope, not saving it. Oh, it has do not ask me next time. So cool. I think I should do a diving video for that browser. Commit. Come on. You got this. Uh, yeah, done. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's PNG only. Ah, whatever. Let's see if it actually get login manager. Yeah, default user King Tut. Auto login. Actually, no. Like theme, AntiX. Let's do sunny day. No, let's do space. Yeah, let's test the theme. Oh, snap. That's awesome. Okay. Close that. Oh, oh, hold on. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Starting session. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Oh, let's change the background actually. What if I want a wallpaper? Let's go to desktop. Go to home. Anything. Stop. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Get out of here. Let's go to file system. Go to home. Pictures. Yeah, let's do that. Yes. Apply. I want to test it. Test it. Test the theme. Yeah. I like that. Man, that looks like some kind of 1990s style space stuff. Oh my god, that should be the theme for AntiX. Yes, I know you saw my password, but it's just, I mean, I just basically put it there like that. Oh man. Okay, let's close. Screen blanking. Well, what do you mean by that? Oh, so it's just screen blank time. Desktop session. Okay. Oh, okay. This is just basically that. And then you have disks, the drive, edition, just basically like hard disk stuff. I wish they would say it as such, and I wish it would be under hardware. PC information doesn't really talk about it. Okay. The drivers, maintenance. Don't really talk about AntiX video, AntiX wiki. They have a help bar. It looks like 1990 style internet. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. What's menu editor? Look at that. Here's the applications menu, personal menu, the application. Yeah, let's not do that. Assistant, boot repair, use manager. Yeah, all right. So it's still updating. So basically now I know how to change background for the login. That's really cool. Not gonna lie. Man, this I don't know what to say. This is great. So basically, what do I think of this? I like it. Really good for old computers. There's inconsistencies for AntiX. There's some inconsistencies, but it's like different software has like different settings, its own settings, instead of like having it all universal. And there's stuff that should be classified as like there's obvious classification. Uh oh, okay, so it's default and so yeah, but there are things that are amazing. Like I don't know, what do you say? What do you call it? And I wish AntiX. So the background that I set up for AntiX and the theme that I picked, that should be the default for AntiX. I mean, that looks awesome. I mean, that would win over a lot of people. So yeah, I might as well, when the time comes, I might as well use it for my old computer. So yeah, there you go. This we have looked at AntiX. This is what it looks like when you're using it. Um, so thank you so much for watching. So if you're on YouTube and you really like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below and tell me what you think about it. If you're on Odyssey, you could actually click the fire button and follow me there and comment down below. And I have a Twitter account, so you could follow me there on Twitter. And also on Minds as well, and on mstdn.social. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you then. Bye!